Guest posts, or guest blogging, is a practice of backlink building that includes trading third-party websites content for a backlink. As content is expensive and time-consuming to create, many blog owners will accept this transaction. Now, some prefer monetary reward, or some only do backlink trades. But the advantage of guest posts is that they appear very natural to search engines, as they prefer outbound linking and sharing amongst websites. Most SEO training even recommends this process for content marketing on your own blog. Ideally, a guest post will match your niche or at least have category or content pertaining to your website's niche. Acquiring guest posts is the same as broken link building or niche edits. It takes time, a lot of emails, and scraping the web for new third-party sites to form relationships with. A good rule of thumb is to mix guest posts with niche edits to add more power to your backlinking efforts. The most asked question I get on guest posting is, how many should I use? And that number greatly depends on you. I often hit websites under management in moderate competitive local environments with 8 to 12 per month. For difficult competitors or densely populated areas, this increases drastically depending on the backlink gap between you and your target competitors. Now, if you need guest posts but want to avoid the hassle of doing the outreach yourself and writing all that content, we have easy ordering in minutes at 39links.com. Our powerful guest posts come in multiple tiers to suit your needs and start at only $39.99. I'm Mike Guest, the CEO and founder of 39links.com, inviting you to experience faster authority gains with powerful guest posts.